you can sleep with a woman you don't love, or to be in a relationship with a woman you don't love because you are broke. You can't afford a woman you love. A woman is in your dreams. You know that other men, they say, I love you because you don't do makeup. That's why I want you. I don't like women who have got makeup, what. He likes those women. It's about he can't afford those women. That's why he came to you. You don't do makeup or you don't wear expensive clothes, what, because you are the one who can afford. Maybe sometimes you don't ask him money. That's why he is in relationship with you. But when it comes that he have got money now, why he dumps you? Other women, they are complaining that my boyfriend dumps me or my husband start changing when he have got money because he go to the woman he want now. You understand? That's why you saw most of the men when he have got money. You guys, when you want to saw when a man loves you, when he had money, he spoils you without asking him. You understand? When he had money. But when you saw that now he had money, he started ignoring you. He doesn't not in love with you even at the first time. He was doing what he afford at that time. He knows that maybe you are an understanding person. You understand, maybe you are supporting him, you understand his situation. You understand? You know that when you are not in love with someone, a man who is not in love with you, even you are supporting him or you makes him to be in love with you, a man can't change. When he is not in love with you, he is not in love with you. Either you support him to fulfill his dreams or what. But when he have got money now, he can go to a woman he wants. That's why you saw your man, he is spoiling other women, and you maybe you are with him all the time of struggling or what. He doesn't care now about you. You understand? So sometimes you have to know the relationships, because especially men, you know that when you are broke, you can sleep, guys, with a woman you don't love, and that woman maybe will end up be pregnant and tell you that I'm pregnant, and it forces you to stay with that person you don't love. You understand? Because you don't have money. When you don't have money, guys, you can do those things you can afford at that time. But that woman you want in your life, you can't afford it. You know that you can't afford. And other men, they say, I don't want women who can have makeup, what, who are beautiful. And I love you because you don't do makeup. No, it's not about your natural beauty or what. You are he is affording you right now, or you are understanding person only. But when he have got money, he can go to women he want.